Hello everybody, I'm gonna do a video of Marble Race. Now I play this game on my other accounts. It's really fun. So you barely get any clicks. I hate that part. It's so annoying. Look at it. You barely get any clicks at all. It's so annoying. Hey, now it's just stopped. Look how slow I'm going. It's just ridiculous. But then once you get here, I'll go fast. Whee! And somehow you are able to turn. And I never realized that before. Anyways, please like and subscribe if you played this game. I'm going to catch up to this guy. If you do, hit the notification bell. You gotta hit it. Or else that guy will catch you up. He's a bacon. You don't want him to catch up, do you? Whee! Turning. Slow down, then go fast. You barely get any time at all to do this. This is unfair, man. There we go. Oh, 6,000 coins. Nice. Now I just gotta catch up. Please. I can turn super quickly. Whee! Oh, I hit the edge. Go back into the lanes. Oh. Wee. This game's pretty good. Oh, bang. Teleport to the shop. And they're gonna be like, what? Bap. Bang. Oh, the clicking doesn't do anything. No, doesn't do anything. I think you need like something new. Let's see how fast I go. Oh, this is pretty fast. Haha. Pass that guy out. If I pass this guy out, you have to hit the subscribe button. But if I don't, hit the like button. Ooh, come on. I'm so close to him. Please. I'm even on his trail. I need to catch up to this guy. Oh, I'm catching up. Oh no, I'm not catching up anymore. He's running faster now. He's in a slower ball than me, I think. I think he is, yeah. Oh, I'm passing him. So close. Come on. Just need to catch up to him. Come on. We're like brothers. We have an 8-bit controller. Get that out in the customization shop. Oh, I passed him. You have to hit the subscribe button. Smash it. Oh, he passed me. Then you'd have to smash the like button as well. Oh, it's so close. 10,000. No! I was so close to it. No. Oh, gosh. Just gotta buy these now. There we go. Clicking doesn't do anything as usual. I'm clicking anyways. Doesn't matter though. Hey! Wee! This is pretty. This is pretty boring. Pets. Oh, I forgot about them. Oh, maybe that's what gives you the click multiplier. I'll do it. I'll buy a pet after this. See, there's 1 minute 24 seconds, so I'll do that. Yeah. No wait, I'll get a 5,000, then I'll go get a pet, or I could just click teleport back instead of resetting my character. So, yeah. And boom. Hey. Yeah, look, there's pets. Oh. Somehow you can't jump. I want to get a pet. Excuse me. Oh. 99 Robux? Oh. Oh, I might have just wasted a ton of time doing that. Because 10,000 to get that egg. Well, I'll just wait here, I guess. Well, there's that guy that I passed. Hello. You have a green ball. You're lucky. Wait, you don't have a green ball. Now you have a green ball, mister. Kinda. Not really. How's your ball growing, man? Why am I... What? No. Why does this happen? What? Oh. Why are people's balls growing? Look at that guy. His ball is growing. His ball is growing over there. And, oh. Okay. Oh. I want it to be at least 1 click every second. Now there's another guy with a ball that's glowing. Oh, he looks like he's dead. Oh God. Okay, I'm gonna stay away from that man. Hello, sir. Sir. Oh, okay. He has a bloody mouth. I don't want to go close to him at all. Oh, look at him up in the thing. Oh, that's gross. Wait, is that just ketchup? I think that's just ketchup. Yeah, that's just ketchup. Ah. Anyways. Doopy doopy doo. Get ready for something. Bah! There we go. Now let's buy this thing. Oh, hey, a dog. Nice. He's adorable. Look at him. Now let's just race. I wonder if it gives me a multiplier. Please? Please? No? Oh yeah, I forgot. It stops sometimes. If you already done the gate, then it just stops, which is pretty annoying. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bomb. I'm not checking out the shop because there's nothing I can buy there. Just want to see if there's a click multiplier. Oh, there is! Yes, you're a good doggo. Doggo Cheese. I'll call him Cheese. He's gonna be called Cheese. Cheese, cheese, cheese. Yep, cheese. Okay. Wee. Look at Doggo, he's running. Cheddar Cheese is running. He's running his head. He just literally ran his head off. Doggo, your head is falling off. Wow. Very ugly. I'll end the video when the timer runs out. Then, baff, there'll be an explosion. Oh, there's me. I'm pretty far. There, open the leaderboard thing. 5,000. I can nearly get a pet. Oh, I really want to get that. He's like, how's it going, man? How's it going? You see that guy on the leaderboard, the tiny man? He's like, how's it going? Wee. Funny. Doggo, you ran your head off again. Be careful. And my koala's just hanging on. Just hanging on for his life. 10,000. Bomb. Nice. Nice. Now I'll just teleport back real quickly. Open an egg as fast as I can. Boom, a chick. Not bad. Okay, I'll see you in the next video, guys. And bye.